Just for instance, this is me in my office. I work 8 hours, 10 to 8 hours a day. I am occupied. This is me. I don't just sit down. Life has not chance to give me any boring moment. I work out of 24 hours in a day. I work more than 15 hours a day. Do you know when I go to bed? I go to bed after 11 or to 12. Some days I work 24 hours. So tell me how life will be boring. This is my office. I create content. I produce 7 videos on Facebook every week. Some weeks I produce more than 7 videos. I produce reel on my YouTube, also on my Facebook. I produce videos on my YouTube every week. Tell me how life will be boring. I update my Instagram 5 to 6 videos every week. I post on my Twitter every day and every week. You can imagine that I also update my TikTok. I post also on my blogs. Tell me how life will be boring. Tell me when I will have a single time to see a boring moment in my life. Just tell me. I have children at home and a wife. I will still go back to meet. We play together. I still have maybe like 2 or 3 hours or 1 minute or just maybe 1 hour to watch television just to free up myself. Tell me how life will be boring. I still have other family responsibilities. I still need to take care of other things that come around. Find yourself engaged if you don't want to have a boring life. I still look for where to promote my affiliate link, how to make money online. Tell me how life will be boring. Find yourself engaged. Once you are engaged, my brother, my sister, there is no dull moment. You find it that the day and night are too fast. They finish before you even realize it. Look for engaging moment, tangible engagement, whereby you can be proud of, you can be happy about. I'm also a farmer. I farm. I have farm. You can imagine that. I'm a farmer also. Get yourself engaged. I also part of the village making decisions. How will I have a boring moment? How will I have a boring moment? My days are occupied. My weeks, my months. So the year also is occupied. Look for tangible, engaging moment to engage yourself. You cannot be like me now. You have to start somewhere because it's already part of my life. I have a spiritual life to live. Very, very important. That is the backbone of what keeps me moving. I have a spiritual life, daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly spiritual life to attend. Tell me how life will be boring. Before the snap on my finger, the day is over. The week is over. The month is over. And before you know it, the year is over. Find yourself engaged. Engage yourself in tangible things. Make yourself useful to yourself, useful to your family, useful to your community, useful to your society, useful to your state, useful to your nation, and useful to the world. For instance, can you imagine how many millions of people that are seeing my videos all over the world? So I'm also being engaged all over the world. Find yourself engaged in tangible, reasonable, responsible things. When you do that, life will be exciting to live. Life will be lovely to live. I leave it for you. Decide what you want for your life. Kindly like this video, comment, share, and let's know how you can also get yourself engaged. You might not be like me now, but you just have to start somewhere. Believe me, trust me, I know you can do it. If I can do, I know you can do it even better.